Hey friends, Arree Chung here, children's book author, illustrator, and creative entrepreneur. And don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button so that way you'll get notified for future videos. I'm going to show you guys how to draw grass and flowers in a very easy way. So grass are just patterns, and they're basically just this. Right? So if you draw, let's say we have a bush and we have a bushy grass, you just add those patterns onto the bush. And you can make a circle, another circle, another circle. And you can then add the pattern on top of the bush. Now when you're adding, this is easy. So you can make the grass the same size, but what makes it more interesting is when you make one big, one small, and one middle. And so you vary the size. Okay, so give that a try. The more it looks different, the more interesting the grass is. Okay, you guys keep on practicing that, and then I'm going to show you to draw flowers. Flowers are just circles with a line, or you make a shape with the line, and you can just add leaves. And so it looks good when you have the flower, you have the grass, and then you have the flower on top of it. And sometimes you can just add the circle. These flowers are so small, they look like circles. Now, if you like that video, make sure you hit the like button to help us grow the YouTube channel, and hit the subscribe button to make sure that you get notified for future videos. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.